I know I ain't been on the vlogs or whatever up on my stuff. I've been tripping lately. I've been tripping. I don't know what I've been doing, honestly. I have so much content to be released. And yeah, so I don't know if I want to do, let me see. I'll do the hair video first. So yeah, man, as y'all can see, let me get to the light so y'all can see a little better. Y'all can see I dyed my hair, man. Got a haircut yesterday. Y'all know how that goes, so I'm finna take y'all to the spot. You know what I'm saying? So we're on the way up there, and you'll be there in about 2 seconds. So yeah. Yeah, we're gonna try this again. So I just dropped my camera, y'all, and this is it's an improv type of setup here, and let's see if it's gonna fit. Yeah. Maybe I should stand up my tippy toes. Yeah, man, as y'all can see, man, dyeing my hair, all that good stuff. I couldn't record it dyeing my hair because my camera was dead, and yeah. And also I got really black over the summer, so just wait till the winter time, guys, and I will be light again. I will be the Jaylee B that you guys know, because right now, no. So basically, y'all, man, as y'all can see, it's just dyed, basically all of it pretty much, except for the roots. And I like it, man. And when I put water on it, it looks really good because it's all like drooped down and stuff. I'm not gonna do it right now, but I'm gonna do it. Just for y'all. But people have been telling me to do hair videos and stuff, like a part 2 or whatever. So yeah. So here we go, guys. I'm gonna put some water in my hair. Should I just? I don't know how to do this, y'all, without getting my whole clothes wet. I don't want to take my shirt off. It's a little inappropriate. I'm just gonna spray it until it gets like drenched, I guess. My thumb's starting to hurt. So yeah, man, comment below, man, how y'all been, man? I missed y'all, man. Also, I gotta record a new video because I got a new car like a few weeks ago. I don't know why I didn't record it, but yeah. Y'all can see it's getting a little bit more loose. But yeah, I got my car. Oh, I got water on my camera. Hold up. Yeah, just okay. Yep. Let's just make sure we got a good angle. Yeah, like I was saying, I got a new car, y'all. So gotta do a video on that car tour, whatever you wanna call it. And I'm also gonna do some. Why y'all ain't tell me I had something on my mouth? I'm also gonna do what's it called? Monkey videos, because apparently those are trending, and I just gotta do it. So let me shake my hair in the shower. So yeah, man, as y'all can see, this is just how it is when it's wet. A lot of y'all people said I had what's the proper word to say? Nappy black people hair, but actually I do not. As you can see, all I do is put water on it, and it's a little more flowy. All I do is put conditioner stuff in it, so I'm gonna do that now. You feel me? Leave-in conditioner, sponsored by I don't know who this is. Cream of Nature, coconut milk for natural hair. I don't know if y'all can see. There you go. Curry Pear leave-in. You feel me? So that's that. This is pretty much just a hair update. Video's over. Okay. How to get curly hair. Put water in it. Okay. Bye. But you want to get a good bit, not too much, because you're gonna have a wipe just sitting in your hair. And you just want to take it and just rub it in, man. Just rub it in, man. Y'all don't make fun of my hairline, man. I know it's leaning. I got a little bald spot. You know what I'm saying? So that's just it, man. Y'all see, it's just like that. It's just a quick little video, man. My hair and it's dyed and everything. Thank y'all for watching, man. Got more videos on the way. Stay up, stay strong, get right to get left. See, I don't know what you, yeah, what you're on, man, it's cool, yeah, but I don't know what to do.